Join me as I take on the challenge to ignite my energy and lose fat in just 7 days. Welcome to today's video where we'll explore a 7-day plan to ignite your energy levels and shed some unwanted fat. Many people struggle with low energy and weight loss, often feeling overwhelmed by conflicting advice and lack of motivation. I know how it feels to be stuck in a rut with no energy to do the things you love. It's frustrating and demotivating. We all need a little spark to get us going, and that's exactly what we're going to focus on today. Low energy and weight gain can be a vicious cycle, but it doesn't have to be that way. The good news is that small changes can add up to make a big difference. By incorporating simple diet tweaks, effective exercises, and mindset shifts, you can start to feel more energized and motivated. It's not about making drastic changes that you can't stick to. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can maintain in the long term. We'll break down the 7-day plan into manageable steps, including simple diet tweaks, effective exercises, and mindset shifts to keep you on track. These tweaks are easy to implement and won't feel like a chore. For example, drinking more water, eating more protein, and taking short breaks to move throughout the day can all make a big difference. We'll also explore some effective exercises that can be done in just a few minutes a day. The key moment in our journey will be revealing the daily routines that have transformed many lives, demonstrating how easy it is to incorporate these changes. One of the most powerful mindset shifts is learning to prioritize self-care and make time for activities that bring you joy. By doing so, you'll start to feel more energized and motivated. These daily routines are simple yet powerful and can be incorporated into even the busiest of schedules. To wrap up, we'll summarize the 7-day plan and highlight the importance of consistency and positivity in achieving your goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips, and check out my next video on meal prepping for success. This channel is bringing up new videos on health, fitness, motivation as well. Stay subscribed and watch for new videos. Thank you.